Look at, look at the people that are coming out. Look at this shit. Nobody was out a second ago. Now look at. They got just people walking and strolling now. You know how obvious this is? Nobody was walking before. See how it is up there? There was nobody. Now they just all coming in from all over. See? Another one. Now you know how I feel. When you guys sit and record me all day. It's not fun, is it? No, it's not cool at all. Is it? I'm a fucking human being, just like you are. I understand that. How come you don't? I have feelings, man. More and more and more. It's not cool, man. It's not okay. Not okay, man. You don't follow people around, man. Hey, homegirl, is stalking legal? Huh? Is it legal here? Yes or no? Is it? Is stalking legal? Is harassment legal here? Sir, hey buddy, is stalking legal here? Is it okay to follow me around? Is it? Do I need more proof than this? Just this. Do I need any more proof than just this? I don't think so, man. I don't think so. I don't.